What's up there, sports car world? Cody here with Card Attractions, and we got a good week ahead of us. As you can see, there's plenty of stuff here for us to rip. So we're going to start off right now with this 2020 NFL Prestige. Hope you guys are doing great today. It is Thursday, and I found a bunch of cards, so it's always a good thing. Awesome. I'm getting really close to that 500 subscriber mark. So I'm looking forward to giving these cards away and then talk about the 1,000 subscriber giveaway. So guys, just keep on subscribing and I'll make it worth your while. All right. Make sure you hit that like button. I do like likes. See first. I was looking for some hangers in these. I couldn't find any. It's alright. I got enough blasters. Hopefully. Alright guys, pack number 1. This one feels really thick. Might get a hit in the first pack, that'd be awesome. Starting off, we got Devin Singletary, Devontae Parker, Devontae David. Hey, there's Dwayne Haskins. I'll hold that one. Oh, and it's a Tyreek Hill. Very nice. Stars of the NFL. Oh, hang on to that one. Alright. We got a Shaquille Barrett. Shaquille Barrett. Alright, Jordan Love, rookie, nice. So, not bad. First pack. I'm not used to getting the hits in the very first pack, but it's always great. I might get lucky and get 2. Let's see. Keenan Allen, nice. Kenny Galladay, Hunter Renfrow, Kirk Cousins, Chris Conley, and Josh Uche. Very interesting. All right. Marlon Mack, Kenny Neal, Kyler Murray, Tyler Lockett. Very nice, Jared Goff there. And then Darrington Evans for our rookie. I guess I don't need that kid reporter. All right, guys. Start out the pack. We got Nick Bosa, Kenny Moore, John Brown, Scarlett, Fowler. I'll hang on to Jacobs. Travis Kelce, I'll hang on to that as well. And then we got a Nate Stanley for our rookie. I think that's the first Stanley rookie I pulled, so that's kind of cool. Might get all of them, you never know. I got a lot more baseball than I do football this week, but Xavier Howard, Denzel Ward, Matt Ryan, Saquon Barkley, Duke Johnson Jr., this Lamar Jackson, very nice. It's not numbered, but it is a nice card of Lamar. Then we got a Becton. Mekhi Becton, maybe? I don't know. rookie. Can't really say his name. Let's keep on moving forward. Yeah, I can't believe the Brewers beat the Sox last night. It's crazy watching baseball. It's nice to have sports back, but it was a good game. Austin Eckler, Riley Ridley, hey, Phillip Rivers, Derek Carr, back to back. Mark Ingram, very nice Travis Kelce, and it's blue. It's extra points, not numbered. Highlight reel, nice. Then we got Adam Trotman. First one of him I pulled too as well. Nice. All right. Christian Kirk. Aaron Donald. Nice. And Kenneth Murray for our rookies. All right, last pack, guys, and we'll start on the other box there. I should say row, since it's no longer a box. All right. Clayton Gathers. Ed Oliver, Williams, Akins, Max Crosby, Daniel Jones. Ryan Tannehill on a roll, very nice. And CJ Henderson for our rookie. So that completes the first pack box. Let's go ahead and start ripping this second one here. Best two cards we got out of that box is going to be the Tyreek Hill and Lamar Jackson. Alright, I got Stephen Gilmore, Kendricks, Edwards, Drew Lock, nice. Got a lot of quarterbacks. What we got here? Okay, so this must be a what's wrong with this card? There's like some. Let me get my other one. I think it didn't get printed on the card. Oh, that ain't the right one, anyways. Where's the other London card at? Yep, that's exactly what happened. I knew something. Look, see this card? Look, no name, nothing. Just Prestige Worldwide, and his name don't have the guy's name on here, nothing. That's crazy. Very wild there. And Josh Jacobs, definitely hang on to this one because this card, they didn't even print on this card. It's an air card. Very nice. It's not too often I pull something like that. That might be the biggest one out of the whole bundle. And look at that, Jackson. I got something for you. That's the one he's been looking for. Xavier McKinney. All right. It's crazy. I got the no plate. Josh Jacobs. No name or nothing. That's awesome. Ty Montgomery. Sony Michel. Corey Davis. Nick Mullins. Tyreek Hill. Joe Mixon. Ed Oliver. And Harrison Bryant, rookie. Very nice. Hopefully out of the 8 blasters of the Prestige I got, hopefully I'll get a real good hit. There was 11 of them and I grabbed 8. I saved 3 for somebody else. Aaron Donald, Leonard Fournette, Smith, Chris Godwin. Man, they're gonna be playing with Brady, dude. That's just like a B-17. Dexter Lawrence, Harrison Butker, Shaquille Barrett, and there's another one. I'm pretty sure that that's not right neither. Let me look for the other one. Inside, it's right here. Yep. Another misprinted card. It's got his name on it, but it doesn't have the number. It says inside, like the numbers aren't in silver. They're not even there. It looks like it's in shadow. So, and the prestige is not chrome. It says, that's crazy. Definitely hang on to that one. And the last one here, we got a Trell Lewis rookie. Like they was shooting so fast off the printer, they just forgot to stamp them, I guess. I don't know. It's crazy. 2 boxes in a row. Actually, them both came out of the same box. Start paying attention to these. Old Big Ben there. Stidham, nice. It's my quarterback. My team. Gallup, Fink, and it's really nice. Kenyon Drake, maybe? That's it? Yep, Kenyon Drake. Very nice. And then we got a Tristan Wirfs rookie. Alright guys, we got 4 more packs here. We still not have hit our second hit yet. We're looking for that. We are on the hunt. An auto, it sure would be nice. Justice Hill. Okay. Travis Kelce, that's a big misprint there. These are just coming left and right misprinting. What kind of card is that? I'm pretty sure I just pulled one. Let me look real quick. That's what it is. It's a prestigious pro. Check this out. Look at this. Aaron Donald. Look at that Travis Kelce. It's missing all the good stuff. That is 3 misprints, air cards that I've got out of this box. That is bizarre. Huh. Yeah, that's crazy. So, you guys can tell, it doesn't say nothing up here in this corner. At least it's got his name on it. So, definitely hang on to this card. And this card might be worth some big bucks. It's a Travis Kelce. Air. 3 air cards. Man, Brandon Ayuk. They're trying to get all these cards out on the market, and they're printing them so fast. That's the only thing I can think of. It's bizarre. I don't hardly ever get air cards, so to get 3 in one box, it's kind of crazy. Might have to shoot Panini a letter, like, dang, what's going on? AJ Brown, Cooper Kupp, Sammy Watkins, nice, and Ryan Fitzpatrick. Who's that? Oh, that's a really nice Lamar Jackson there. Youth Movement, Lamar. Definitely had to sleeve that up. Very nice card. And then our rookie is Antonio Gibson. 2 more packs left. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this today. Like I said, oh, there's a hit in this one. Tell me what you guys think about those misprinted cards. I mean, think they're going to be worth a lot of money? I don't know. Sometimes they are when they're not printed properly. And there's an Evan Ingram, New York Giants. And here we go. Miles Sanders. Very nice. Stars of the NFL. All right. And we got another, what? Michael Pittman Jr. for our rookie. But we got another card. This is 4 cards out of this blaster that are misprints. And that's a Cooper Cup. That is so bizarre. 4 misprinted cards in this blaster. Alright, last pack here, guys. So if you guys got comments, please leave them in the box. Tell me what you guys think about these, all these air cards. Like 4 in one box. It's crazy. Last pack here. Juju Smith-Schuster, Julian Edelman, Derrick Henry, nice card. Khalil Mack, Tony Pollard, Bradley Chubb, Will Greer. Oh, let me put him up here. And then we got a James Morgan for our rookie. So that is it, guys. That will complete our break today. We've got some crazy, crazy cards. Actually, let me sleeve this one up too because all right. So as you can see, recap real quick. See, this is what the card's supposed to look like. Inside the numbers, the Chrome Prestige. So this one just says inside. The numbers get messed up there. They got left off. And then the Prestige is not Chrome. So that card, and this is Lamar Jackson, Shaquille Barrett. So the only reason I kept this one just because it's printed wrong. Very nice. Cooper Cup here. Total misprint card here. I don't know. There's a baseball card, Frank Thomas, no name card. It's worth a lot of money. So this one does not have his name. Don't have nothing in here like these other cards are supposed to have. Let me show you. See the difference? So yeah, that's very crazy. Cooper Cup misprint there. Then we got Lamar Jackson, very nice. And then we got this Travis Kelce misprint. This is bizarre. Never had so many misprints in one box. And then we got a Josh Jacobs. I am definitely going to have to contact Panini because that's crazy. It's a lot of air cards in one box. Then our 2 hits, we got Miles Sanders, Stars of the NFL. So very nice jersey relic there. And then we got this Tyreek Hill, Stars of the NFL. Very nice cards. So there it is, you guys. You guys have it. And that was the 2020 Prestige Blaster boxes, 2 of them. Like I said, got a bunch of rookies, but the cards that I just went over are probably my biggest cards of the box. But if you guys got any questions or comments, leave them in the box. Other than that, I do appreciate you guys watching the channel. Hope you've enjoyed it today. Stay tuned. I do got a lot more stuff to break. And make sure you drop that like button. And those of you who haven't subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Thanks a lot, guys, and I'll be back with some baseball shortly.